Hello friends, one of the most difficult topic for a homeopath is managing acutes. It is said that when you handle acutes, you can be very successful in your career. Acutes and fevers makes and breaks the career of a homeopath. However, many homeopaths are confused on what are acutes. There are many questions which arises in the mind of a homeopath when he wants to prescribe for an acute. Should I prescribe on mind? Should I prescribe on physicals? Should I give a specific remedy? Should I take my emotional symptoms? What potency to be given? What is the repetition to be taken? These are many questions which arises in the mind of a homeopath. However, the most important question is what are acutes? Friends, this is a very important subject, that what constitutes an acute, and I have seen many homeopaths getting confused in this aspect. So friend, in this short course on acute, I will be taking all these questions. I will be trying to answer all these questions in relation with what Dr. Samuel Hahnemann has mentioned in his organon. In the various aphorisms, he have talked about acutes and how to manage acutes and what potency to be given, what is a repetition to be given. So these are many questions which I will be addressing in this short course on acutes, and I will be also taking cases, video cases which explains the complete theory and practical aspect of these acute courses. So friend, grab this opportunity, take this course and become a master in handling acutes. So I welcome you to this channel on Hahnemannian Education Learning Platform, where we promote Hahnemannian Homeopathy. So see you there friends with this course on acutes. Thank you.